Hi there, Steve Hathaway from Young Ocean Explorers. Got some really exciting news for you. We're running a new program next year starting from February the 15th to March the 15th called a 21-day challenge Restore the Hauraki Gulf. It's a 21-day guided inquiry that we've developed with a team of teachers from around New Zealand. And our aim is to have at least 1,000 classrooms simultaneously participating in this challenge in the lead up to the America's Cup in 2021. Over 21 days, students will learn about where is the Hauraki Gulf Marine Park, significant species. They'll learn about issues it faces and also hear a series of different hope stories. People actually making a difference. This generation of kids are not only digital natives, but they're environmental natives. They understand better than any previous generation that this world is in turmoil and they want to make a difference. We want to break down these hope stories, give them steps and tools in their belts that they actually can make a difference themselves by highlighting great stories of people already doing great work in the Hauraki Gulf. There are 3 challenges during the 21-day challenge. The first one, the 21-day challenge is for years 1 to 8, by the way. The first challenge that everybody will participate in is a real easy one, is every day, every participating child will pick up at least one piece of plastic from their local community. What we want to show and demonstrate with this is that when a whole lot of us do consistent, regular little steps, that together we can make a huge difference. If we have 30,000 children, each picking up at least one piece of plastic every day for 21 days, that will be over 600,000 pieces of plastic that we've stopped going into the Hauraki Gulf. Phenomenal. And just a tiny little step. The second challenge, which will be probably for more like advanced year 4s, year 5s and above, is they need to make a digital project around an issue that they want to see fixed in the Hauraki Gulf Marine Park. The third challenge is they have to come up with a strategy of how to amplify their message, to take it far and wide, beyond their families, beyond their classrooms, to take their message out. We are going to make the beginning of the year super easy for you as teachers. We've developed all the resources for you. It's easily adaptable for each year. We've done all your planning. We're going to tick your boxes for digital technology, for science, highly engaging. You know, it's got Te Ao Māori content every day as well. It's real world learning and it's highly empowering. This is what we're about. Hey, if you're interested in participating with us, contact us at info@youngoceanexplorers.com and I'd happily sort out a Zoom call to you, your DP, your group of teachers, or to your co. Thanks for listening. Get in contact with us and we look forward to doing this with you. See ya.